Meaning of easel.
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 Easel. An easel is a wooden or metal stand used by artists to support and display their work. It typically consists of 3 legs and a vertical frame or mast, with adjustable holders or clamps to hold the painting or drawing in place. Easels are portable and come in various sizes and styles, from tabletop models to large floor-standing versions. They are essential for painting and drawing outdoors or in studios, and allow artists to work comfortably at eye level while keeping their hands free.